In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up secret key in Supabase. A secret key in Supabase is a sensitive credential used by your backend services to securely talk to your database and APIs. It should never be exposed in client-side code or shared publicly. With that in mind, let's walk through the setup clearly and safely. Start by opening your browser and signing in to the Supabase dashboard. Once you're in, head to the project you want to work with. If you have multiple projects, choose the one where you intend to use the secret key. This keeps your work scoped and avoids mixing credentials between environments like development and production. Inside your project, look for the project settings. You'll typically find this in the left-hand sidebar or the top navigation, labeled Settings or Project Settings. This is where Supabase groups all configuration options that affect your project's behavior and security. Within the Settings area, locate the section for API or API keys. This page is designed to manage credentials, including public and secret keys. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where to come back for future maintenance, rotation, or review. In the Secret Keys section, choose the option to create a new secret key. This begins the creation flow, where you'll provide a few details that help you and your team understand the purpose of the key later on. Give the key a clear, descriptive name. Good names reflect how and where the key will be used, such as the service or environment it belongs to. Avoid vague labels. Specific names make audits and rotations much easier. Add a short description that captures the context, like the application, job, or integration that depends on this key. This is especially helpful when you return months later and need quick clarity before rotating or decommissioning credentials. When everything looks right, confirm by creating the API key. After creation, you'll see the secret value. Treat it like a password, copy it immediately, and store it in a secure location, such as an environment variable on your server or a trusted secrets manager. Avoid placing it in front-end code or committing it to version control. If it's ever exposed, return to the same API keys page to rotate or revoke it and update your services accordingly. Regular reviews and clear naming help keep your system secure and maintainable. That's it. Your secret key is set up in Supabase safely and correctly.